Hello guys, good afternoon, good evening, and good morning. Welcome back again to my vlog. This is again Johnski. So today we are going to prepare spaghetti, which is all favorite by kids, but not only by the kids but also by the adults. So here are the things that we need: 1 kilo spaghetti, and we have a sweet blend. Well, obviously, kita nyo naman, 99 pesos lang yan. Kasama na yung spaghetti. Naka-sale lang. Tignan nyo lang sa mall. Ground beef, cooking oil, our magic sarap, pepper, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and our cheese. Of course, our garlic and onions. Alright. So next will be our step-by-step procedure. So step 1, we will preheat the oil. We will saute. First, we will fry our hot dogs. Okay. All right. So frying this hot dog will be good for at least 5 minutes. Okay, go. So step 2, we're going to saute our garlic and onions. Okay, so this will be a really quick one. So our cue or sign that this is properly sauteed is once your garlic turned brown. Next step, once your garlic turned brown, you can now include the ground pork. That's 1/4 ground pork. And while we're waiting for the ground pork to be cooked, we will already now add our magic sarap seasoning. So our cue to find out if the ground pork is already cooked or not is once you can see the color flesh is all turned white. Okay, our next step would be 3 tacks of pepper. Okay, next, saute. And next, hot dogs. Next, our spaghetti sauce, sweet blend. Nice. Very, very delicious. And then stir. And to add flavor and sweetness, 3 tablespoons of sugar. Brown sugar to be exact. And for the sweetness to vary will be depending on how many sugar you would like to add. And for our finished product, spaghetti, and it won't be certified without our license mode. Blake! Alright, so you will be our model for today. So go ahead, try to... Okay. Try it. Alright. Here we go. Look at here. So how was it?
Good.
It's good and
Delicious.
delicious. Wow. Nice. And that's it for today. Thank you so much again for watching my YouTube channel. This is again Johnski Vlog. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're always updated with all my video uploads. Goodbye.